Hey guys, it's me, Tommy, and I'm back again with another video. Last week I showed you guys how I created this beautiful sew-in, and then obviously, of course, I got bored with it, so I decided to color it. So in this video, I'll show you guys how I created this beautiful ombre, so let's jump right into it. So this is the sew-in that I had in my hair. I was so bored that I'm like, blah, I want to give it some color. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So first things first is what I'm going to do is I'm going to part out my natural hair because I don't need that to get colored. So I'm just going to put that away, tuck it up so it's nice and safe. And then I'm going to divide my hair into two. Now the way that I like ombre my hair, and this is like the cleanest and the easiest way, is just to section off your hair first, put it in two, and then just color the ends. Now to make sure that my hair is extra protected, I'm going to take some of this cling wrap and I'm going to wrap it around my hair because as you can see, the ponytail is like touching my hair. So I want to protect it even more. So I'm just going to take that cling wrap and just put it to my hair. So to bleach my hair, I'm going to be using Quick Glue and 40 Volume Developer. And if you guys don't know how to bleach hair, you start at the ends, work your way to the top. So that's what I'm doing. A nice, safe way to do it is keep one hand with bleach, one hand without. So my left hand is not going to have the bleach, and my right hand is going to be the one that's doing all the work. I think that's that. Yeah, because my camera's like backwards. Anyway, so I'm just going to proceed to add the bleach to my hair. With curly hair, it's a little bit harder because the curls are like all coiled up. So just make sure that you're very thorough and you're detangling as you're adding the bleach to your hair so it's fully coated. And then I'm going to take that piece and I'm going to wrap it up, and then I'm going to let it process for about 15 minutes in my head. And then after that, the 15 minutes is done, I'm going to go ahead and add the Shimmer Light shampoo to my hair, leave it in for about 10 minutes, rinse out, and then we're going to start toning. So I'm going to tone using this Revlon number 4. The color is Ultra Light Natural Blonde. Got it from Walmart. It was like $2 and some change with it. And I'm just going to add that to the ends of my hair so that it's nice and toned. This clip, I'm showing you guys what it looks like after I rinse the bleach out, but I want to tone it a little bit so it doesn't have any orange tones to it. I guess that's why it's called toning. But anyway, I'm applying that bleach to my hair to just help, again, I'm going to say the word again, tone it. And after I do each section, I'm going to make sure that I put it up so that it's nice and neat and that color is not everywhere. So just watch as I apply it to my hair. As you can see also, like, these curls are still here. Yes, it's still here after, I think I bleached my hair about 2 times, but I didn't show you guys in here. And now I'm toning, and as you can see, the curls are still there, on and popping. And if you guys want to know, I'm wearing my Nubian Goddess Kinky Curly. And I'm going to follow up with my matcha, green tea, and wild apple blossom. Oh my God, I love this stuff. I use it for my natural hair. As you can see, like, it's almost gone. I'm going to blop that onto my head, and it's from Your Mother's Naturals. I'll put the link below. But anyway, so I'm going to blop that onto my head, and I'm going to deep condition those ends for about a half hour to an hour, making sure that I fully coat my ends, and then I'm just going to wrap it up and then follow up with a shower cap, that's the name of it, a shower cap, and let that process for a half hour to an hour. After I'm done rinsing it out, as you can see, my curls are still there, honey, they still there. So I'm just going to use my Demon brush to detangle my ends, and then I'm going to go ahead and follow up with my diffuser just to diffuse my curls because ain't nobody got time to be letting this joint air dry. So I'm just going to diffuse the curls, and this is the final look on what it looks like. Yes, 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 I am loving it. These curls are on and popping, and you're looking at the time like, she still got more minutes. What's she gonna show me? So I'm gonna show you guys me styling this hair, but I just wanted to show you guys how the curls look, how they aren't damaged, they're still on and popping. So let's go into a different style. So this was actually recorded today. I've had this hairstyle in for obviously a week because of the sewing. Not the hairstyle, but the color like this for a week. But anyway, I'm just gonna do the half up, half down method because that's very popular nowadays. So I'm just gonna do it with my Kinky Curly Sew-In. So I'm just going to part my hair into each sections. Last night I tied my edges up so it can lay down a little bit flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and define my curls, parting my hair off. Now, one thing that I did in this video that I've never done with my kinky curly hair is add the Shea Moisture curling smoothie. So right here, I'm just spraying my hair with some water, and then I'm going to detangle using my Denman brush, starting from the ends, working my way up top. And while I'm detangling, yeah, so this is the first time I've ever tried putting something in my hair, like product in this hair, and I actually really like the way it looks, so I'm gonna do that moving forward. And I know Shea Moisture was canceled, but I bought a little sample. It was like $3. So forgive me, guys, forgive me. But I'm gonna be using that in my hair just to make the curls pop. And look, it actually pops pretty good. The other section I'm gonna show you guys up close because I know I cut this clip up because I didn't want it to be too long. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to take my water bottle, I'm going to spritz my hair pretty lightly, and then I'm going to detangle from the ends, guys. Always detangle from the ends, moving your way up. Whether it's your weave or it's your natural hair, always detangle from the ends. The detangling process is good. Making sure I pay attention to underneath, because with kinky curly hair, it tends to bunch up in the back by your neck. Then I'm gonna take a little dab of that Shea Moisture Curling Enhanced Smoothie, and I'm going to apply it to my hair. And then after applying it to my hair, I'm gonna follow up one more time with my Denman brush. And I was amazed at how well this product actually works with this hair. Like, it just literally just, boop, look at that. Look at that. Look at these curls, guys. And this hair was bleached twice and toned at the same time, and my curls are still there. One thing I would advise as you're seeing me like styling my hair is if you are going to try to bleach my hair, my kinky curly hair, I would say to expect to cut off maybe about 1 inch so that your curls look a little bit fuller. I did notice that when I had this hairstyle and I colored my hair, I wish that it was a little bit fuller as well. Just to cut just a little bit off, because of the lightness to the ends, it tends to make the hair look sparse on the bottom. So if I was to cut off just a little bit, it wouldn't look as sparse. Right here, I'm just wrapping my natural hair around because it didn't define, it wasn't a defined curl like everything else. And I'm just going to just plop the curls out, make it look a little bit fuller because it's way too defined for me. And I want the style to look a little bit thicker. But that's the finished look for this look right here. I personally think I look pretty young with this, and this just doesn't fit me and my age. But I just wanted to show you guys an alternative. Look at this clumping right there. I didn't even separate right there on that side. Look at that. But I just wanted to show you guys how you can make your sewing very versatile. This is my flip over sewing, so you can do a half up, half down type look, or if you want, you can take that top, you can put it in a top knot, but I don't know, I just feel like this doesn't work for me, especially since I'm in my 30s. I just feel like this is just too of like a 20s teen hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that bun on the top out, and I'm just gonna rock it the way I usually rock it, and that's this way. So I'm just gonna take that apart and just pull the curls apart and give me my chic flip over look that I have going on here. And of course, because I wasn't able to define the front of my hair, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tuck that right under my ear, ain't nobody gotta see, and then just cover it, boom. But I really, really like this color. It's so pretty. I want to go lighter, but I'm really afraid that I'm gonna damage the hair. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, but I really love it. And I'm just gonna change the background with you because I feel like that pink wasn't really showing the blonde too much when I was recording, so I just changed to the white background. And then again, like, I'm playing around with my hair and I'm like, ooh, this style is cute, girl. So next week, I'm gonna actually show you guys how I'm gonna revamp this sewing again. So be on the lookout for that. I'm doing this hairstyle right here, but this hairstyle was cute. I was trying to find me a bobby pin, like, where the bobby pin at? I couldn't find it, so I was just like, whatever, I'll just leave it. But definitely be on the lookout. I'm taking this sewing out today so I can create that hairstyle for you guys. But I want to thank you again for all the support that you've done. Make sure you shop HairDeLaCreme. I'm wearing the Nubian Goddess Kinky Curly collection. As you can see, it colors, and I'll see you in my next video.